Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're diving into Google stock, to see if the recent news is reflected in the chart data. Starting with the current news, we see that Google stock is currently trading at around $164.09, up 0.41% from the previous day. This positive movement suggests that investors are optimistic about Google's future prospects. Recent headlines indicate that Waymo, Google's self-driving car subsidiary, is gaining momentum with its robotaxi service, a potential driver of future growth. However, it's important to note that Alphabet, Google's parent company, has seen a slight pullback from its all-time high in July 2024. This pullback can be attributed to the broader market correction that has affected many of the so-called Magnificent Seven tech giants, including Google. The news around Waymo's progress could be a positive catalyst for Google stock, especially as it continues to expand its services and compete in the burgeoning autonomous vehicle market. With the Google stock news in mind, let's transition to the charts and analyze the technical picture. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that Google has been in an uptrend for the past few months, steadily climbing from a low of $120 in June to its current level. The stock has formed a series of higher highs and higher lows, a classic sign of a bullish market. The recent pullback is noticeable, but the overall trend remains positive. There are two key price levels to watch on the daily chart: the recent high of $141.11, which acts as resistance, and the strong support level at $120. If Google breaks above $141.11, it could signal a continuation of the uptrend, potentially pushing towards new all-time highs. On the other hand, a break below $120 could indicate a shift in the market sentiment, leading to a potential downturn. To gain a more detailed understanding of the current situation, let's take a closer look at the 1-hour chart. Now, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a better sense of the shorter-term price action. The 1-hour chart reveals a more volatile price movement, but we can still see some positive signs. The recent pullback has taken the stock near the $138 support level, which has held up well in the past. The stock seems to be consolidating around this level, with the bulls attempting to push the price back above $140. If the bulls can break above $140 and sustain the momentum, it could suggest a potential short-term rebound. However, if the bears continue to exert downward pressure and the price falls below the $138 support, it might signal a short-term downtrend. It's important to note that the 1-hour chart is a more volatile time frame, and the price action can be influenced by intraday events and short-term sentiment shifts. Let's now take a look at the 15-minute chart to see if we can identify any key price levels or trends in the immediate short term. The 15-minute chart provides an even more granular view of the price action, revealing a significant price drop that occurred around October 17, 2024. The stock experienced a sharp sell-off, dropping from $165 to $163 within a few hours. This price drop was likely influenced by a combination of factors, including profit-taking by traders, short-term market volatility, and any potential negative news. The current price action suggests that the bulls are attempting to regain control of the market, pushing the price back above $164. A sustained break above $164 would likely signal a short-term rebound, while a fall below $163 could lead to further downside potential. The 15-minute chart is a very short-term time frame, and the price action can be very volatile. It's important to use other time frames, such as the 1-hour and daily charts, to confirm any patterns or trends observed on the 15-minute chart. Let's recap the key price levels and potential trends observed across the different timeframes. To summarize, Google has been in a bullish trend on the daily chart, but has recently pulled back near its $138 support level on the 1-hour chart. The 15-minute chart shows a short-term sell-off, with the bulls trying to regain control. Key price levels to watch: $120 support on the daily chart, $138 support on the 1-hour chart, and $163 support on the 15-minute chart. If the price can break above $140 on the 1-hour chart and maintain this momentum, it could suggest a short-term rebound. However, if the price falls below $138 on the 1-hour chart or $163 on the 15-minute chart, it could signal a potential short-term downtrend. Breaking above $141.11 on the daily chart would be a strong bullish signal, suggesting a continuation of the uptrend. A break below $120 on the daily chart would be a bearish signal, potentially indicating a shift in market sentiment. Looking ahead, we should keep an eye on the news regarding Waymo's progress, as well as any developments in the broader tech sector and the overall market sentiment. These factors could have a significant impact on GOOGL's price action in the coming days and weeks. Remember, this is just a technical analysis and not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.